Hi guys, Patricia here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day, another beauty talk. Another day, another Dior. Yeah, I will be sharing with you the holiday set, the Dior Holiday 2024 set that I've got, and some Dior gifts with purchase. Yes, guys, these are so gorgeous. Stay tuned, guys. Watch until the end. Yeah, so this is the holiday set that I've got. And oh, by the way, hi, if you're new here, my name is Patricia. I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you are watching beauty vlogs like makeup reviews, demos, and swatches. And sometimes I do shopping haul. And yeah, let's get this done. And thank you so much you are tuning in right now. I'm really grateful. Thank you. So this is the holiday set that I've got, guys. If you are watching my shorts and my Instagram, you already knew what I've got. Yeah, so this is the set that I have purchased. Beauty and Care Ritual Set. This is how the pouch looks like, you guys. Isn't it so pretty? Very Christmas. It is golden. Gold pouch. And this cute Dior written here. So this is how the pouch looks like. This is really pretty, you guys. Charm is in CD and star. So yeah, I have to remove this plastic later. So this is how the pouch zipper looks like, and inside this you will have the, in this set, you guys, this Ritual and Care set, you will have a Dior Lip Glow Balm in the shade pink 001. I have repurchased this several times already, guys. This is my favorite lip balm. This is the best. If you are not makeup junkie or influencer or content creator, if you're just even you don't like makeup, guys, I highly recommend you this Dior Lip Glow Balm, especially during winter season. This is the best lip balm in the world. No, really, it is. This is so good. And also, you will have in this set is the Baume. This is a multi-use cream, guys. Can be used face and body, and even on the nails, dito around the nails, yung cuticle mo. Yeah, so this is so aesthetic. I have this in pink, you guys. Here. Yeah. Isn't this so aesthetic? Very girly, very demure, very cutesy. Charot. So yeah, I choose this set because nga I love these products. Now moving on, guys, to Dior gift with purchase that I've got from the holiday collection, guys. You can have this gift with purchase. So this is the Vanity Case, guys. This is not for sale. You cannot buy this alone. You have to buy something from the Dior online or store. This is how it looks like, you guys. This is so pretty, you guys. So this is zipper. There's mirror here. This is how it looks like, you guys. Ang ganda niya, guys. Then, because I am OA, I have another one. yeah, we have 3 of this, you guys. OMG, yes. I've gone crazy buying because I wanted to have this pouch. Because you cannot buy this pouch alone, guys. You have to buy something, and with some amount, if you reach that amount, you can have this vanity case for free. So yeah, another gone crazy buying just for this vanity case. Huwag niyo akong gayahin. I am OA. So yes. So very pretty. So now, I have 3. Para siyang obento box, you guys. Para siyang obento box tuloy pag nakapatong-patong ng gano'n. So cute. Yeah. So there you go, guys. My vanity. 3 vanity case. For free. And one more, I will show you one pretty Dior gift that I've got last summer. Wait. Here. So last summer, I've got this, guys. This pretty mirror. This is a mirror, you guys. I cannot show you the mirror na lang. You see? It's mirror, you guys. And here. Cute. Meron siyang chain. I'll have chain dito. Natanggal siya, OMG. So later, ikakabit ko na lang siya. I cannot do it myself. I'll ask my husband. Kasi natanggal yung chain niya dito, guys. Charm. Not chain. Charm. So, yeah. This is so cute, diba, guys? So, makikita nyo na ako magme-makeup gagawin. Magsuswatch using this mirror. Charm. So, okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video unboxing the holiday set and your gift with purchase. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Stay beautiful, stay kind. See you in my next video. Bye!